Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Deep Mentor. Welcome back to my channel. In the last tutorial, we covered if statement and input function. In this tutorial, we will look into dictionaries and sets. Dictionaries in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Like in an English dictionary, you will find a word and corresponding meaning. That is a key value pair. Same is the case with Python dictionaries. Like in English dictionary, you search for a word and you get the meaning for the same. Likewise, in Python dictionary, you search for a key and get value for the same. In a Python dictionary, the key should be unique to uniquely identify the key value pair. So, in a dictionary, there can't be two values with same keys. The dictionary is created using the braces. Let's create a dictionary with student details. As you can see, we have created 3 dictionaries, one for each of the student. The dictionary contains student ID, name and age for a student. For accessing the values of a dictionary, we need to provide the key as shown. Like for accessing elements of list and tuple, we use square brackets. Same is the case with dictionary elements. But instead of index, we pass the key within the bracket. For modifying the value of a key, you just need to assign new value to the key as shown. The process of adding a new key value pair to the dictionary is same as modifying a key. We need to assign the key in the dictionary to a value. So, as you can see, there can't be two keys with same value in a dictionary. If we try to use existing key while assigning value, it will just overwrite previous value. For deleting a key value pair from a dictionary, you can use the del statement. Like we did with a list, we can start with an empty dictionary and populate it with different key values as shown. So far, we have been storing heterogeneous data in the dictionary. That is, the value we have used are of different types like string and int. Let's now try to create a dictionary with homogeneous data. When you have more data in the dictionary, you should start the opening braces as shown and then start typing the key value pair from next line with an indentation at the beginning. Once all the key values are typed, put the closing braces in the next line again with an indentation. Here all the values are of same type, that is string type. If we try to get value of a key which doesn't exist, you will get an error message. In order to avoid the error message, we can make use of get function. The get function allows you to provide a default value in case the key doesn't exist. If you don't provide a default value, then you will get none as value. None keyword in Python is used to represent no value. If the key is present in the dictionary, then you will get corresponding value. We can make use of for loop to iterate over a dictionary. The items method of dictionary can be used to get the items of a dictionary, which is combination of key value pair instead of single value. Thus, you need to use two comma separated variable to hold key and value. You can then use the key value as normal variables in Python. You can use any name for these variables as shown. You can use the keys method to get all the keys of a dictionary and iterate over it. Similarly, there is values method to get all the values of a dictionary and iterate over it. If you want to iterate over the keys in sorted order, then you can make use of sorted function. At times, we might need list within dictionary, dictionary within list, or dictionary within dictionary. Basically, one collection item inside another. This is called nesting. Let's cover some examples of the same. Here you can see a list of dictionaries. Here we have a list which contains marks out of 100 in different subjects for the students. And of course, each one of them got 100 out of 100 in all the subjects. In the previous example, it is not clear which subject marks each value in the list represent. Let's use Dictionary of Dictionaries to store information about subject and corresponding marks. For accessing the marks of individual subject, first we have to access the dictionary containing marks value and then access subject from the marks dictionary. The example demonstrates the same. We can create nested collections starting with empty collections as well. Example shows list of dictionaries starting from empty list. Next we have Dictionary of Dictionaries starting with empty dictionary. Let's have a look into sets now. Set is another data type for storing collection. A set doesn't have any order and is not indexed. Like dictionary, a set is created using braces, but instead of a key value pair, it has set of values as shown. For adding a value to a set, we can use add function. A set cannot have duplicate values. We can iterate over a set using a for loop. For removing a value from a set, we can make use of remove method. In the demo, I have added my name in the set of student names by mistake, of course. I can remove the same using remove method. You can make use of length function like we used in a list to get length of a set. At times you might need to check if a value is present in a set. You can make use of if statement like we used with list to do the same. Indexing or slicing is not available with a set. As we have now seen the 4 data types for storing collection data, let's have a look into difference between 4 data types. List is a collection in which items are ordered, mutable, and allow duplicate values. Ordered because list maintains the order in which the elements were added. Tuple, like list, is ordered and allow duplicates, but the only difference it has with list is that it is immutable. A set doesn't maintain order of the elements. That is, the order in which the elements are added to a set might be different from the order you get the elements. You can add or remove elements in a set, thus it is mutable. You can't have duplicate values in a set. A dictionary is mutable, and since Python 3.7 version is ordered as well. You can't have duplicate keys in dictionary. In the tutorial so far, we have covered different important methods related to list, tuple, set and dictionary, which will help you with getting started with these different data types. There are many other methods available for these data types which you can go through at Python documentation page. Have attached the link for the same in the description. Congratulations! You now know about Python dictionaries and sets. You also know how the 4 Python collection data type differ from each other. In the next tutorial, we will be covering while loop and functions. Please subscribe to my channel to get notifications for future tutorials. Thank you.